I'm discussing a 2023 question asked in geography optional from population geography. Has Malthusian theory been discredited in the contemporary times? Justify your answer. मैं continuous program run कर रहा हूँ where I'm sharing questions on geography with Edukemi Telegram channel. यहाँ पर डेली बेसिस पे ऑप्शनल के भी और जीएस ज्योग्राफी के भी क्वेश्चंस देता हूँ and I expect that you write the answers and I can give you some inputs about writing practice. This whole exercise is part of your daily answer writing. Now let's see this question particular. It's asking us, tell us if the Malthusian theory has been discredited in the contemporary times. ये क्वेश्चन का लिंक और जो आंसर्स बच्चों ने शेयर किया है वो मैंने आपको दे रखा है कमेंट सेक्शन में. Go check up the link and see what answers students have written. If you see the answers जो बच्चों ने लिखा है, large उन्होंने क्या किया है? They have written about merits and demerits of the Malthus theory. ये क्वेश्चन merits demerits of Malthus पे नहीं था. Is asking very specifically ये बताओ कि आज के दिनों में contemporary times में based on what's happening around us is Malthus theory discredited or not? आपको करना क्या चाहिए? You should take up specific ideas of Malthus. जैसे number one, Malthus had said the population will double every 25 years. अब डिबेट करो, giving data examples, TFR कैसे change हो रहा है, that in recent times population double नहीं हुआ है 25 years में. The population has declined, TFR has declined across all countries. So in this basis, yes, Malthus theory is not right. उसके बाद Malthus had talked about contraceptives being negative checks and that contraceptives will not be effective in controlling population. And then tell us कि contemporary times में contraceptive use has been one of the most effective ways of controlling our population. Malthus talks about the idea of morality. यहाँ पर infidelity हो, homosexuality has been called as vices. So contemporary times में हमारा thinking बहुत अलग है. These are not moral questions at all. Population control is not an aspect of morality or character issues. Malthus had talked about कि पैंडेमिक होगा, epidemics होंगे, हाई डेथ रेट्स होंगे, मोर्टेलिटी होंगे इन पॉपुलेशंस विच आर पुअर. अब लास्ट पैंडेमिक देखें 2020, 21, 22 में, यू रियलाइज a lot of problems of pandemic was actually in the developed countries. Japan में रहा, China में रहा, even countries like India not impacted as much as the US was impacted. Africa kind of was almost bypassed by the pandemic problem. So problems, epidemics and deaths because of diseases are not a consequence of the Malthus theory as predicted. तो आपको ऐसे डिस्कस करना है, taking up one examples.